In this tutorial, friends, I will show you how to cancel your ticket flight in Indigo and get full refund. So guys, all you have to do, log in your account on your Indigo, click on login account option from here on the top corner. After that, scroll down till see this option, cancellation. Click on this cancellation. From this cancellation option, you should be write your booking reference and email address here, and then choose this option, plan B. After choose this option, guys, scroll down, you see two option here. Write your as you say, right, you see this page, guys, you see this page. From here, this is your ticket flight state. Just click this option, cancel. Click on this option, guys, cancel flight, and then guys, you will get your fully refund without any problem. So guys, as I say, just choose this cancel option flight, and then guys, you will get your full refunded without any problem. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video.